Welcome back, student. Let us continue the types of solutions. See, solid, liquid and gases are the three states of matter. So there are the solutions also are based on these things. Okay. Types of solutions are there. First, solution of solid in solid, मतलब जो solution solid और solid को mix करके बनता है. One example is brass. Okay. Brass हम लोग बर्तन यूज़ करते हैं. Brass. Okay. कॉपर, इट इज़ अ मिक्सचर ऑफ द जिंक इन अ कॉपर. जिंक को कॉपर में मिक्स करके जब बनाया जाता है, दैट मिक्सचर इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू द फॉर्मूला, न्यू फॉर्मूला, दैट इज ब्रास. So zinc is also in a solid form and copper is also in solid form. When both are mixing, they are converted and giving the final product, that is brass. तो हम वो brass के utensils use करते हैं. So one is solid and solid. This is the one example, brass. Solution of solid in a liquid. When we are using the solid substance in a liquid, that is also forming the solution. See, iodine tincture. This tincture, it means the substance is containing the some percent of alcohol as per the iodine. Now in this, iodine is in a solid form and alcohol in a liquid form. So that solid iodine is mixed in that alcohol solution. So they form the solid in a liquid solution. Now what do you mean by the iodine tincture? जब हम डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं और हमें जब चोट लग जाती है, इफ़ यू इंजर्ड, so they are applying the iodine solution. That iodine solution is a iodine. Is it clear? Do you remember that? ऐसे orangish dark brownish color का solution होता है, that is the iodine. Okay. Now third type is solution of liquid in a liquid. Now liquid in a liquid means vinegar, sirka, in a Hindi sirka. Okay. That is the mixture of acetic acid, okay, in water. एसिटिक एसिड को पानी में मिला के जो मिक्सचर तैयार किया जाता है, इथेनोइक एसिड, और यू कैन से दैट इथेनोइक एसिड, दैट इज विनेगर. वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग द चाइनीज डिशेस, दैट विनेगर मोस्टली वी आर यूजिंग इन दैट चाइनीज डिशेस. नाउ नेक्स्ट टाइप इज सोल्यूशन ऑफ गैस इन लिक्विड. गैस का लिक्विड में सोल्यूशन CO2, सोडा वाटर. वी आर ड्रिंकिंग द सोडा, दैट सोडा कंटेनिंग द कार्बन dioxide in the water. So that soda water is formed with the gas in a liquid. And last type is solution of a gas in gas. Gas का gas में solution. The best example is air. You know that in our atmosphere, air is around us, and in that air multiple number of gases are present there. Oxygen are there, nitrogen are there, hydrogen are there, carbons are there, etc, etc. But one thing is that which is the highest percentage of air gas is present in air, that is nitrogen. So nitrogen is considered as a solvent and remaining all are considered as a solute. Are you getting? हमारे एयर में जितनी भी नंबर ऑफ गैसेस है, उसमें सबसे ज़्यादा परसेंट में कौन सी गैस पाई जाती है? नाइट्रोजन. उस नाइट्रोजन में ये सारी गैसेस मिक्स होती है, दैट्स वाई द नाइट्रोजन इज कंसिडर्ड एज अ सॉल्वेंट एंड रिमेनिंग आर एज अ सोल्यूट. इज इट क्लियर? So along with this, we completed the solution topic. We studied about its properties, its theory also, what do you mean by the solute and solvent, and the types of solution. Now we are going to continue the suspension. What do you mean by the suspension? Suspension किसे कहते हैं? Suspension is nothing but a residue which is remaining in the contain, मतलब undissolved part of a solution. कोई भी substance में हमने कोई भी चीज़ अगर किसी भी liquid में undissolved part in a liquid का undissolved part जो होता है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? उस undissolved part को suspension कहते हैं. So if it is not dissolved completely, if it is undissolved, that's why it is considered as a heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture consider करते हैं. You take the water and put some sand in it. Can you see that the sand is dissolving in that water? No, it cannot be. Why does it so? Because it's having the property. It's not dissolving in the water. Is it clear? If you take some other example, I gave you one example in the last session, chalk powder along with the water. After adding the chalk powder also in water, it cannot be going to dissolve completely. You might be seeing some of the particles is settled down at the base. बेस में तुम्हें कुछ पार्टिकल्स उसके बैठे मिलेंगे. If you keep that beaker or a glass in which you prepare the mixture, after settle down, after some time, if you see, after settle downing, the particles which are present in that mixture, it will settle down, वो नीचे settle down हो जाते हैं. So you can separate it easily. वो settle down हो गए means you can see it properly from your eyes. Clear? So there is no need of microscope. You can clearly see. In solution we can't see with the help of microscope, but in the suspension we can see clearly all those particles. Is it clear? See, one activity we are doing. Otherwise you can prepare the sand solution, you can prepare the chalk solution, you can prepare another solution. You will see that the particles, take some water and add some chalk powder and dissolve in it and keep it. दे आर अनस्टेबल. अनस्टेबल मीन्स वॉट, वो हमने बीकर वहाँ रख दिया, अनस्टेबल, वो एक साथ मिक्स नहीं होते. जैसे शुगर सोल्यूशन सॉल्ट सोल्यूशन हो जाता है, दे आर स्टेबल सोल्यूशन. इफ़ यू कीप देम फॉर अ होल नाइट ऑल्सो, they cannot be separate from each other. But when the other substances, if a muddy water, if you take it, after taking the muddy water, चिखल वाला पानी होता है ना, उसे लो, you keep it for a whole night, you will see that the muddy part is settled down and the water will remain upper side. वो क्या होगा, उस पानी में की जो भी मिट्टी है वो नीचे बैठ जाती है. तो that is the heterogeneous mixture. And if you try to filter it, that part, the residue रिमेन ऑन द फिल्टर पेपर. हम उस मडी वाटर को या फिर जो हम सैंड वाटर ले रहे हैं या चॉक पाउडर ले रहे हैं उसे फिल्टर कर रहे हैं. फिल्टर करने के बाद क्या होगा, उस फिल्टर पेपर पे यू विल सी द रेसिड्यू ऑफ दैट सब्सटेंस. क्यों? बिकॉज दैट रेसिड्यू इज़ नॉट डिजॉल्व्ड इन दैट पार्ट, इट इज़ अनडिजॉल्व्ड पार्ट ऑफ दैट मिक्सचर. सो उस सॉल्यूशन में, उस सब्सटेंस में वो अनडिजॉल्व्ड है, इसलिए उसके रेसिड्यू हमें मिलते हैं. And that residue we can separate it by the filtration process. Is it clear? So what are the properties of this suspension? See, we can see all those particles settle down in a beaker, in a glass, whatever it is. So वो जो particles हमें नीचे दिखते हैं मतलब क्या, जो light उसमें से पास हो रही है उस particles की वजह से they are reflecting. These particles are very responsible because they are big in size, so they are reflecting the light. The light is scattering or rendering the path visible. उस वो पाथ को दिखाता है कि उसमें से लाइट कैसे पास हो रही है. Who is responsible for this? The size of the particles which are undissolved in the substance. सबको समझ आया? जो पार्टिकल अनडिजॉल्व हुए हैं, नीचे सेटल डाउन हुए हैं, they are only the responsible for scattering the beam of light, and they are reflecting the light. Is it clear? So what are the properties of suspension? Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. They are unstable. We can separate them by the filtration process. The size of these particles are extremely big, more than the 100 nanometer. 100 nanometer से भी ज़्यादा उसकी size होती है. It means you can directly see them clearly. It is clear. And last one property is the light can pass through them. They can scatter the light. They can render the path visible to us. Render the path visible मतलब उस जिस लाइन से वो जा रही है लाइट उसे हमें दर्शाना, प्रस्तुत करना. That is called the render path visible. Okay. So these are the some of the properties of suspension. Now comparison, we understand that about the solution and suspension, both are opposite to each other. Now in the next session we will discuss about the colloids after a short break.